Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to post a carousel on LinkedIn, those swipeable multi-slide posts that grab attention and boost engagement. So for that, first of all, open up your LinkedIn application or simply visit their official website. Before that, you will need to design your carousel as a series of slides, create them in Canva, PowerPoint, or any design tool. Just make sure to export them as a multiple-page PDF. Each page becomes a swipeable slide on LinkedIn. Once you have done that, go ahead and simply log into your account inside LinkedIn and then tap on Start a Post. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this plus icon. Then you want to go ahead and tap on Add a Document. Go ahead and tap and choose a file, and then simply select the file that you have downloaded from Canva, PowerPoint, or so on. Inside here, go ahead and select it. Once you have selected it, you want to go ahead and simply give it a title. Once you have typed in the title, go ahead and tap on Done, but before that, make sure your PDF is loaded completely. So once it is done, tap on Done right over here. Then inside here, go ahead and type in your caption. Once you have typed in the caption, scroll below, then tap on Post, and just like that, you'll then be able to post a carousel on your LinkedIn. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next episode.